Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So I will be bringing you several videos on the Galaxy Note 9. But the first one I wanted to bring is Samsung DeX. Now Samsung said we can just plug up an HDMI to our phone and plug it into a monitor. This is my 2K monitor. And we're gonna see how this thing works. So before the video got going, I said, oh man, I plugged up just a regular HDMI adapter and with Type-C. You will need Type-C HDMI, and it works. So I normally have this computer hooked to my MacBook Pro, which sits down there. But I thought, you know what, I'll just unplug this and plug it in, and let's try DeX. So let's get this video going. So when you first plug it in, you're gonna get this welcome screen here. So I'm just gonna kind of be off camera a little bit and start DeX. And it's firing up. Alright guys, so DeX is all set up. Now when you first power this up, it's going to tell you to use a genuine Samsung cable, but I just have a regular cable. I have a lot of these Type-C cables with HDMI ports. And ultimately what you do is it'll turn your phone into a mouse pad, you know, and while you're in here you can still get out of this and go into something else on your phone, but I'm using it as a mouse pad. So I'm going to show you around here. On the bottom, I've already got some social media sites open up already. So on the bottom here, you've got Samsung DeX things down here. I can lock Samsung DeX. This is weather. It's got my signal, my battery percentage, quick settings right here. The phone is very nice. It's very sensitive though when you're using it as a touchpad. I'm pretty sure you can go into settings and adjust that. You've got help right here if you need to. You can lock it right here. And when you lock it, you'll use your phone's PIN, or you'll use your facial recognition or whatever you have set up, and then you can take a screenshot. And I have just 3 applications. So I have YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram open, and this is what it looks like. But this is very, very nice. My only complaint, I guess, at this point is I would need to adjust the settings in the touch sensitivity when using the phone as a mouse. Other than that, this is hot. So we can open up anything on here. All of my apps are all there, obviously. You can see how it formats certain things here. Very nice. YouTube will play. Now it actually says that you can use your phone while you're on DeX. So control DeX with the cursor, S Pen. Nice. Switch to landscape mode, S Pen. Oh, nice. So when you pull this out, it gives you some kind of options to switch to landscape mode, but I'm looking to see if I can use other stuff on my phone. Yeah, I can go to other stuff on my phone and then go back to DeX like they said. So that's pretty nice. And you can control the phone. I think I like doing it with the S Pen, because now what I'm doing is, what you're looking at now is me hovering with the S Pen doing things. Yeah, that's nice. It's a little off at times, but very nice. There's all the volume. Everything looks good. It's like a full-blown computer. You could hook up a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse and be all set. And when you tilt the phone, when you're using this and you're tilting your phone from this way landscape to, it automatically orientates. So whichever way you want to hold your phone. The only thing with this is you'll need whatever's powering it. It needs to charge the phone. So obviously I have chargers I can use. I have these type of Type-Cs where I've had multiple so I can plug in. But it's nice. I like DeX now. I mean, I didn't not like DeX before, but I think this is pretty hot that it's built into the phone. And again, I have no idea what Essential's doing over here. Got mad respect for your Essential, but I don't know what that's about. Samsung Portugal. It pretty much is just like the other DeX. It's just built into the phone. So I want to do a quick video. This isn't something that's real spectacular to me. It's just DeX built into the phone. but it's actually really nice. So with this, instead of buying DeX, the module, all you will need to do is just buy an HDMI Type-C, and make sure you get one with a lot of ports on it so you'll be able to charge your phone as well. Or you can put it on wireless charging and then you don't have to worry about that. It's your man Jay Will. Hope you guys enjoyed. First video is about DeX. Take care.